Welcome everybody to this channel of Phoenix TV. I believe you're doing very well wherever you are watching my videos. It is very important that on this channel we should be speaking about things which we believe are very great and important for the nation of Malawi, and also even able tackling some other important things regarding the news of the world. So today we have got the very important news that we would like to be discussing about here, about the selection of the Speaker of Parliament in Malawi, which is now at an advanced stage, because today, if not tomorrow, the Speaker of National Assembly will be known now in the country of Malawi. Now, there are two names and almost three names that we are aware of the main Speaker of National Assembly, like proposals, and the one is Suleiman, there is another one is called Dimba, and the last is Nankuma. These are the main three speakers that are contesting for the position of the first Speaker of National Assembly. But the other speakers, which are two remaining, also will be talking about them in this video. But mainly, let's just discuss about the main speaker position, which is being contested by three people, which I have alluded to, namely Suleiman, Dimba, and Nankuma. What do you think? Who is going to be the Speaker of National Assembly in Malawi? Is Suleiman going to be elected as the Speaker of National Assembly, or Nankuma? Is he going to be elected as Speaker of National Assembly? Maybe Dimba from Malawi Congress Party. Will he be chosen as the Speaker of National Assembly? First of all, let's look at how Speaker is chosen in National Assembly. The Speaker position is the voted position by members of Parliament. What it means is that members of Parliament are going to choose which one is going to represent them as the Speaker of the National Assembly. So, Democratic Progressive Party has the largest number of MPs in the National Assembly. Now, Democratic Progressive Party has Suleiman as the candidate for the position of the Speaker of National Assembly, while the Malawi Congress Party is the second largest political party in the National Assembly with 56 or so members of Parliament. Coming third could be UDF with a few members of Parliament. But now, the many political parties which have shown interest in the position of the Speaker of National Assembly are Democratic Progressive Party, Malawi Congress Party, and Nankuma has also shown the interest. He has got his own party, and he's the only one who is the member of Parliament for his own political party. So, there are also independent members of Parliament. These are 66 people. So, they're going to either choose Malawi Congress Party, Dimba, as the Speaker of National Assembly, or they're going to choose Democratic Progressive Party Suleimani as the Speaker of National Assembly. So, it will be divided votes. But it seems like Democratic Progressive Party has the highest chance to produce the Speaker of National Assembly in the Parliament. What do you think? Does Democratic Progressive Party have the power to determine who is going to be the Speaker of National Assembly on its own without having support from independent members of Parliament? I know there are some of the independent members of Parliament who have shown their interest to support the Democratic Progressive Party for this position of National Speaker of Parliament. There are also some of the independent members of Parliament, according to the report from 360 Times, which is also one of the main mainstream media in Malawi. They have written that there are more independent members of Parliament, like all independent members of Parliament have shown interest to support Dimba, who is the Malawi Congress Party candidate for the position of the Speaker of the National Assembly. So, what are you talking about this thing? What do you think? Who is going to be the Speaker? I think it is today when people are voting for the Speaker of the National Assembly, if not tomorrow. Today or tomorrow, 29, or today, 28. But on 30th, should be 30th, or on Friday, President Peter Mutharika will be in the National Assembly House, where he will present his speech opening the session for the National Assembly in Malawi. So we may have today, tomorrow, as the days which will likely give us the complete picture of who is going to be the Speaker of National Assembly as the vote is done, maybe today or tomorrow. All right, but we also have to look at other two positions, the Deputy Speaker of National Assembly and the other Deputy Speaker of National Assembly, the two. So Democratic Progressive Party has proposed the two people as well from the same party to be the deputies for the Speaker of National Assembly. These are, okay, I will just show the pictures of these people on this video. You should see them. But it seems like Democratic Progressive Party still is maintaining its stand of saying it is going to choose only the members of the Democratic Progressive Party, supporting them as speakers and deputy speakers. They're not going to support any other person other than people or MPs from the party, within the party. What do you think? Should the Democratic Progressive Party support other members as deputy speakers? Because there is a Novin Bloco which is proposing for a member for a deputy speaker position from an individual who is from the UTM, which is another political party in Malawi, and the Democratic Progressive Party is against that. So we're here to see, and we haven't even heard more people like contesting for the position of the deputy speaker. So we're here to see how people are going to vote in the National Assembly. But as of now, the more battle is on the first position of the Speaker of National Assembly, which is very important, and Suleiman is competing with different people like Dimba from Malawi Congress Party as well as Nankuma. Indeed, a lot of people have given the poll like who's going to win for this position, and many people they're lagging behind Suleiman, and there are so more people supporting Malawi Congress Party candidate for the position of the Speaker of National Assembly. What do you think? Who should be the Speaker of National Assembly? Like many Malawians have no idea who Dimba is. For me as well, I've not much seen activities of Dimba in the country politically or in the National Assembly. But I know Suleimani has been so active in the National Assembly, in the previous parliament, and has been speaking a lot for the interests of Malawians, and even exposing the government in the dubious deals that the government of Malawi was doing. And he has been speaking a lot. And Suleiman has been so popular in the political front page of Malawi because of his activism for good welfare of Malawians, as far as good governance and the leadership that it can respond to the needs of the people. But Dimba is equally important and is equally capable. I'm sure he's well versed about the position of Speaker of National Assembly, and Malawians support him as well. He may be also one of the people who's got good characters for the position, good characteristics for the position of the Speaker of National Assembly. So we're here to see who is going to be the Speaker of National Assembly, as the members of Parliament will be voting today, if not tomorrow. So we'll come here as well after the voting to give you what has transpired and who is won as the Speaker of National Assembly. For your time watching these videos, I'm so thankful. Keep on watching more of my videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please I would like you to subscribe my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Until I come back with another video, have a very good day. My name is Hanek on Hannes TV. Bye-bye.